Writing profit-making and SEO-optimized content has always been an expensive and time-consuming task. But with WriterArc, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Choose from 35+ use cases, 22+ tones, and languages for which you want to create content. The WriterArc artificial intelligence is trained by highly professional copywriters to create top-converting and plagiarism-free content. Step 2. Enter keyword. Enter your business name and keywords and then choose purpose, sales copy, email, or ad etc. to create relative and effective content. Step 3. Publish and profit. WriterArc will automatically create professional and 100% plagiarism-free content of your need in just a few seconds. No installation and no other techie stuff. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With WriterArc, you can do much more. Create fresh and SEO-friendly copies. WriterArc engine generate 100% fresh and unique copy which is search engine optimized and easy to rank. Create content for any local or online niche. WriterArc has tons of predefined local and online business categories with predefined keywords for 36+ niches. So, you can create content with just a click of a button. Advanced copywriting templates. WriterArc has 50+ advanced predefined copywriting templates based on different use cases like Google Ads, Facebook ads, blogs, sales copy, YouTube descriptions, video scripts, website content, and much more. 35+ languages and 22+ tones. WriterArc can write copy in 35+ languages and over 22+ tones of voice available to fit your business need. Generate 1,000 write-up monthly. You can generate as many as up to 1,000 copies each month through WriterArc. Social media integration. WriterArc provides social media integration to directly share your posts on social media. Easily download your content in Word or PDF format. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-the-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on expensive subscriptions or hire any freelancer for content writing. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.